Which compound is more covalent? Which one of these compounds is more covalent? Let us see the matter. Which one of these compounds is more covalent? First of all, let us see calcium chloride. Here, calcium 2 plus ion, chloride ion, chloride ion. Then same charge, magnesium chloride, magnesium 2 plus, chloride ion, same charge, calcium 2 plus, magnesium 2 plus. Now, let us see positions of calcium and magnesium on the periodic table. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and finally radium. From this, we can say that magnesium is smaller in size compared to calcium, because we know from top to bottom along a column atomic size increases. So calcium 2 plus ion is bigger in size than magnesium 2 plus ion. So in this case, positive charge density is higher. Positive charge density is higher. So it can polarize the chloride ion maximum compared to calcium chloride. In this case, polarization occurs, but this is less because its charge density is lower compared to magnesium 2 plus ion. So here polarization occurs which is less, but in this case polarization occurs which is maximum. So in between these two, this is more covalent and this is less covalent. As this is more covalent, its melting point is 714 degrees Celsius, and this is less covalent, that is more ionic. More ionic nature, and that is why its melting point is higher, 772 degrees Celsius. Now C and D. C is aluminum chloride, here aluminum 3 plus ion, chloride ion, and chloride ion. D is ferric chloride, ferric 3 plus ion 3 plus ion, chloride ion, here chloride ion. Same charge, aluminum 3 plus, ion 3 plus. In which case polarization occurs more? We know that aluminum is the element of period 3, but iron is the element of period 4. So this is smaller in size compared to iron, and its radius is around 53 picometer, and iron 3 plus, its radius is around 64 picometer. That is, this is smaller in size compared to this one. That means here positive charge density is higher compared to ferric ion. As here positive charge density is higher, it can polarize the chloride ions maximum. That is, it attains covalent nature. As aluminum 3 plus ion is smaller in size, it can polarize the chloride ions the most. But in this case, this is a bit bigger in size compared to aluminum 3 plus ion. So here charge density is lower compared to aluminum 3 plus ion. Because of this, here polarization occurs, but this is not much like aluminum chloride. That is why this is less covalent. As it is less covalent, that is, this is more ionic. And for this, its melting point is 307 degrees Celsius. As it is more covalent, its melting point is 192.4 degrees Celsius. Then, which one is more covalent? This is more covalent. That is, aluminum chloride is more covalent than ferric chloride. After that, from these two, which one is more covalent? This one. That is magnesium chloride. And finally, this one, calcium chloride. Covalent nature. This is the series of covalent nature. Aluminum chloride is more covalent than ferric chloride, and then magnesium chloride, and finally calcium chloride. It came considering charge density and size of cations. Thank you for watching.